your video stop getting views after 24 hours or after 2 days of posting that video, here are two things you need to do, like two practical things that you need to do to that video for the video to revive back and start getting views. These things are what I do on most of my videos, and these are what a lot of all these big creators do. Like if you watch and study creators like Robert Benjamin, Dan the Creator, Video IQ, Ali, and the rest of them, you will discover that this thing, they do it most of the time on their videos. But too bad, a lot of us don't even really figure it out. I was lucky enough to actually listen to one of these creator, and he talked about it. So ever since then, I started applying it on my videos, and I've been seeing wonders. That is, the result has been mind-blowing. So right now, what you just need to do is to make sure that you pay attention, as I'm going to be blowing your mind with these two things that you just need to do. Just two things. So the number one thing you need to do is for you to simply re-edit that video. And if you're wondering what does it mean to re-edit a particular video, now for this particular one, I do it on my channel like 4 hours or like 5 hours after uploading that video. Maybe for you, a day might actually work, or 24 hours might actually work. That is why I used to say, study your channel, study your videos, and try to know what is working out for you and what is not working out. If you're able to like study these things and understand it, then growing here on YouTube is going to be actually really easy for you. Growing here is not hard though. It's just that it takes you time for you to be able to understand what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So when it comes to re-editing a particular video, what you just need to simply do is for you to go over to the YouTube studio of that video. Go ahead and click on that pencil and re-edit the video. So now what you'll be needing to do is, it could be that the thumbnail is not all that properly well, or maybe the title, or maybe the description. Now if you're going to be giving this a try for the first time, I will recommend and advise you to like give that video like 24 hours or maybe 24 hours plus, because one thing about this YouTube street is that some videos peak after 2 days. Now if you monitor Mr. Beast very well, Mr. Beast videos, like the thumbnail you see on Mr. Beast video today, is not the same thumbnail you will see in 3 days time, or maybe in 5 days time. Same thing goes to all these big creators. From time to time, they are changing their thumbnails to see the ones that is actually going to make their video blow up and get more views. Now once you're done with that thumbnail aspect, the next thing you need to pay attention to is your title. If you notice that this particular title that I use is not really performing well, and most importantly, from your video analysis, you discover this kind of message that says that maybe your viewers are not watching this video because of the title and the thumbnail. So what you just simply need to do is to go ahead and change the thumbnail, change the title, and also the description. Now if you discover that this particular title that you're using is not the same one you used before, you have to go ahead and also change the tags so that it can correspond with the video. These are basically what I do on my channel, even on my new channel. Now you all see this particular video that is currently having views on my channel. The very first minute I posted this video, for those of you that was very early, under like 1 hour after posting this video, I decided to go ahead to twist the title to this particular title you all are seeing here, and I believe that that is what actually made this video to stand out and become resonating with most of my audience. So this particular thing is very important for you to try it. Just run it on some of your videos and see the ones that are actually performing well and doing better. So once you're able to do this perfectly on your videos, your videos are going to breathe in new air and start getting more views. Now the number two things that is really advisable, that this one personally I do it on my channel most time, is if I post a particular video and I want that video to keep getting more views and more views, what I simply do is to go ahead and make use of that video. First of all, I will add it to one particular playlist. Then the next thing I do is to be using it as my YouTube end card and my YouTube card. That's my end screen and my YouTube card. And if you're wondering how will I even be able to do that, now once you finish uploading a video, if that video is in one of your playlists, try to go ahead and drop that playlist under your description. Now after that, go ahead and add it as an end screen. And now this is another jar that you can also add. Maybe towards the ending of that video that you want to fix that particular video as the end screen, you can go ahead and tell your viewers to like maybe watch this particular video on so and so topic, and the video is going to really help them. So as you're pointing hand on the screen, let the video appear, which is as your end screen. This particular thing is really working, and I've tested it on my channel before on this my video that talked about how to get more views, and I saw a lot of massive results. So this particular trick is working like magic. Now after using it as an end screen, the next thing that you can also do is for you to use it as your YouTube card, either at the beginning or maybe at the end. And also, while talking on your video, YouTube cards appear at the beginning, middle, center, unlike the end screen that only appears towards the ending of your video. So now if you use it as a YouTube card, you can as well tell your audience to go ahead and watch this particular video. This particular thing, I've seen it on a lot of all these big channels. Now let's use this my most viral video for example. Ever since I posted this video, one of the secrets or one of the reasons why this video is still having views till today is because of this particular thing that I'm sharing with you right now. Because yeah, this video was actually trending as of January December period. So this particular video, all of a sudden I noticed that the impression click-through rate suddenly reduced. So what I simply did was to go ahead and I started applying it to every video I post on my channel. I use it as a playlist on how to get more views. That is, if you click on the playlist on my channel that talked about how to get more views, you will see that this video is number one. Now after doing that, the next thing I still do is to add it as end screen on my videos. Like every video you see on my channel, the end screen that is there, that is the playlist I use for the end screen, this video is also among. And same thing I also did on my YouTube card. And also apart from that, sometimes I also use it as a normal video on my YouTube card also, and also a normal video on my end screen. You all know that it's very advisable that when fixing your YouTube card, please try your best to add like 2 playlists and 3 videos, because you have chances to fix like 5 different things, unlike your end screen that is just only 3, which is either 2 playlists and 1 video, or maybe 2 videos and 1 playlist. So you just have to make sure that that video is alive in every new video that you draw, because if you use that video that way, YouTube is going to be pushing it to much more audience. YouTube is going to be recommending it to much more audience. That is why this video ceased to stop getting views. Till today, till tomorrow, it will still be getting views as long as I'm doing this particular thing. That is, from time to time, YouTube is refreshing it and showing it to new audience. That is the secret why this video has been going up. And also secondly, just about last week, I decided to try it on this other of my viral video, and I was so surprised. Videos that have stopped getting views before, all of a sudden the video added additional 1,500 views just 2 days ago. Have you seen that all this YouTube trick, all these YouTube inbuilt features, they are working? That is why I say if you're able to understand it and use it the right way, it will work for you. But still, some people will be like, Princess, I do most of these things that I'm doing and I'm not getting results. The question is, are you doing it the right way? I'm not just doing it once, twice, and you just go ahead and quit. No, you have to keep on trying it. You have to keep on doing it. Once you upload a video, the next thing you need to go ahead and do is to start working on that video. You don't just post a video and relax, maybe hoping that the video will just peak and start having views. No, there are a lot of things that you need to do on that video for the video to be able to go far, which is called additional trick you just need to add. And I think I'll be doing a video on that separately. This one in particular is going to be my next video. So if you'll be interested in that, also do well to drop it in the comment section on when I'll be releasing it. Okay, so guys, if you're able to do just these 2 things on any video that you considered as dead or not getting views again, if you're able to do these two things, it's going to resurrect that video, and that video is going to start getting views. The views might not come immediately, but trust me when I say as time goes on, that video is going to pick up. All right guys, I don't want this video to be too long. If you find this video helpful, or you've watched to this extent and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video if you've not liked it, and do not forget to share so that a lot of other small creators can get access to this video and also help them grow. So guys, bye bye for now, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.